Alright guys, we got us a 2012 Audi A4 S-Line Quattro. Really nice. I love Audis. Nice cars. Anyways, what we got done on it, got factory converter up there somewhere on the manifold. Then we did a mid resonator delete. Left the secondary resonator there. They love to make these cars quiet. And then we did a rear muffler delete right there. And then put a quad tip. So mid and rear. There they are right here. There's the muffler. There's the resonator. Right there. That's what it looks like with that blue flame tip. Came out really nice, really clean. You want to put a stagger tip on it to go with the turn of the bumper. Just gives it a really nice clean look. There they are. I think it was always made for European cars, those tips. Like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beautiful content. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It's a 2.0 turbo. It's quiet. You need that vibrant. Yeah. You gotta get that other resonator off. It's quiet. Here's sound decibels. Again. Yeah, right at 85. You want to take that off? Or you want to come back?
How much are those like?
250.
250?
Installed.
Lucky Max.
Okay. Or you can even do just a muffler delete on it. That resonator delete. Like the ones you heard, it sounded about the same. Because that turbo takes a lot of the sound away. Yeah. I didn't expect to take that much, but wow. Again? Alright guys, let you guys hear on the inside. Audi A4 S-Line. Resonator, muffler delete. Damn! It's pretty quick, standard too. He needs more sound. He'll be back.